this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a PS3 Slim if it's not turning on. So while the console's plugged in, if you press the power button, if there's no beep, no sound, and the console doesn't turn on, you need a new power supply. In 99% of the cases, in some cases it could be the motherboard issue, but we're not dealing with that today. Today we're strictly dealing with the power supply issue. This is the power supply right here. And we sell this on our website. This is the part that we're gonna be replacing. You're gonna need some tools to disassemble your PS3. And we sell our FastTech Pro toolkit on the website, which you're gonna need for this job. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna unplug the console. We're gonna put it on its face. There's a warranty sticker, which used to be a warranty sticker. This console does not have any more warranty. We're gonna remove this warranty sticker here, peel sticker off. I'm surprised to see one with a warranty sticker. Once you've removed that sticker, there's gonna be a tab underneath hiding a screw that we need to remove. At this point, we're gonna use our pry tool and remove this tab. Lift it a little bit with a pry tool and then remove the tab. And now there's a bunch of other tabs we're gonna remove. Some of them have this soft rubber on them, like this one here, and the rest are plastic, like this one. This one is fixed. You don't have to remove this one. You're gonna need a Torx T8H, which is also in our toolkit. And we're gonna remove these black T8 screws in the front. I'm gonna use a Phillips to remove these Phillips screws. Phillips screws that are going to come out of there. There's 6 of them. I keep them on the side here. At this point, the case up top should be free. We're going to lift it from the side. It's going to come right off. This is the power supply right here. This is what we're replacing. There's 2 screws that hold it in. One here and one on this side here. They're Phillips screws, so we're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to remove that. Secure the screws. Now we're gonna remove these 2 connectors. There's one on the left and then there's one on the right. We're gonna wiggle and pull, and this one's gonna come out. This one has a clip on it. All right, we're gonna pinch the clip like that from this side and then pull up. It's gonna come right out. And now we're gonna lift up the power supply like that. So this is our old power supply. All right, this is a COH 3001 unit. So this is a ADP EADP 185. That's what we're gonna be replacing this with. Fun little fact about PS3 Slims. Most of the power supplies are interchangeable, especially if you have an older EADP 185 unit like this one. You can use an EADP 185 for a COH 2000, 2500, or even a 3000. But it's not recommended that you use a newer model PS3 Slim on an older model PS3 Slim, because the newer ones were lower power output. So you could run into problems, but most of the times they're interchangeable and they work. And we sell these power supplies on our website. Links are gonna be in the description box, and you can use the coupon code YouTube for a discount. Let's put our new one in. You guys wanna be mindful that there's 2 pins here that need to line up in here with the power supply. And you don't wanna bend these pins, otherwise your console's not gonna turn on. So we're gonna put the power supply in. We're gonna make sure we don't get any of the cables under. You wanna make sure the pins line up. Then we're gonna install the screws back in. All right, now we're gonna reconnect the connectors. Line it up, push it in. Same with this one. can just line it up and push it down. You'll hear a click and then it's in. Now we're gonna install the case back on. The case, guys, the front goes on first. So there's teeth in the front. These teeth here, they should line up. Roll on the case like that. But those tabs have to line up, and this has to be flush and flat like this. Then close it from the back, and that's it. Now we're just gonna put the screws back in. Install the rubber feet. The rubberized pieces go in the corners, and the plastic ones go in these spots here. And we're done. It was just as easy as that. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, and all the tools and parts that you need for this job, including the power supply and our trusty Fastech Pro toolkit. We sell these on our website, and the link's gonna be in the description box, and you can use the coupon code YouTube for a discount. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.